Hi, children. Today we're going to make a shark craft and a shark puppet kind of craft. And what you need is you need to pick the color you want your shark to be. I ended up choosing black. And then you need 2 circles. And 1 circle will be in the color of your choice of shark, and 1 will be in white. The white one you will cut in half. And then you'll need another smaller circle of the same color of the shark you choose. Again, mine is in black. And you will need to make a triangle for the top fin. And of the same size of the smaller circle, you're going to make one in red. And you're going to cut that in half. And then I made it into like teeth, but you can make whatever you want, whatever mouth thing you want, and I'll show you. And then you'll need 2 eyes and some kind of a stick, either a popsicle stick or even a piece of cardboard that you can put on the back so you can move your puppet around. Okay, so first we're going to take, and then a glue stick. First we're going to take, and we're going to put it on the half of the white circle, and then we're going to put that on the color of our shark, which today happens to be black. Okay, we're going to take what I have as a mouth. I'll show you. I'm going to put it on the white. So we're going to put some glue on the red mouth part, like that. Then we're going to take a triangle, will be like a fin on the top of the shark's head. So we're going to put some glue on the bottom of the triangle and put it on top of the shark's head, like that. Then we're going to take the other circle, which we've cut in half, the smaller circle, and we're going to put it on. It's going to be the shark's fins. So you're going to put it on like half of the fin, and you're going to put it on sort of at the bottom there. See? And then the other one. Okay. See? There you go. And then you're going to take 2 eyes. Now, if you don't have jiggly eyes like I do, you can just make eyes and put them on. It doesn't have to be like this. I just happen to have these, so I'm going to use them. Just a little bit of glue. Okay. All right, now, so we have a little shark, and if you want to change the teeth and you want to just make a smile, or if you want to make, ridges all around, you can. And then what you want to do, so you can't really hold it that well, you're going to take, I have a chopstick, but you can use a popsicle stick, and you're just going to get a piece of tape. I just so happen to have some black tape, and you're going to just, I'll do it this way, tape it on the back. Like that. And there you have your shark. And you can do whatever you want with it. And you can make more than one and play with them, and you can make them in different colors. It's fun, it's easy, and I think you'll enjoy it.